Unfortunately, the definition now of racist or racism is become very unclear and ambiguous, and the word racist or racism, those words are now brandished around willy-nilly and irresponsibly, often with people being called racist when they're not racist at all, and the term racism being applied when it's inappropriate and when it's not racism. So these words are being abused now, racist and racism. So people have lost sight of what real, true, actual racism looks like because the word is abused and brandished around so much. Now, I have a memory from 1999. It was August, summer 1999. I was traveling in France and Spain. I was 19, and I was on a high-speed train, a TGV, from Paris to Bordeaux. And yeah, August 1999. God, how sentimental is that? And I heard from the French couple sitting next to me on the high-speed train that an elderly white French lady had just been asked if she could give up her seat, which was reserved by somebody else. I suppose there was a ticket on there. It was reserved in advance by a black lady, who I think, a black French lady, I think, but certainly an African, Afro-Caribbean lady, probably a French black lady. And I heard from this French couple that I was sitting next to that this white French lady had said to the black lady, I think a black French lady, "I will not be told what to do by a black woman." Now, that is shocking. You don't hear so much of that these days as you would have done decades ago. Thankfully, that is real racism. That is shocking, isn't it? That is actual racism. I always remember that story. That was so shocking back in August 1999 on a high-speed train in France. That elderly lady saying she wouldn't be told what to do by a black woman who was asking for her seat, which she'd reserved, and asking for the elderly white French lady to give up her seat. This couple that I was sat with on the high-speed train were appalled and disgusted by what they just witnessed and heard. And indeed, that's a very rare and very shocking example of actual, real racism, and not the sort of things that are being labelled racist or racism now, which are not actually racist or racism at all. That is true racism. Thankfully, quite rare, or much rarer nowadays than it would have been decades ago. But it's an experience I'll never forget from 26 years ago. Absolutely shocking.